This is David with Revolution Roofing here at claim number 0833172687. We're going to be repairing this shingle right here. Remove and replace. We'll go ahead and get started. We're going to use the roof snake. Shingles aren't adhering correctly. Tar stripping is gone. Okay. Using the roof snake as you guys permitted. This is the damaged shingle. You see the back right here. Tar stripping is gone. Coming back with a new shingle. As you can see, all this debris that has been caused from the wind damaged shingles. Before we get started. Also, as much exposure as I'm having to push in to actually get it to line up to the original shingle tells me that this exposure right here is only 5 inches and a discontinued shingle. I don't have my tape measure up here with me to confirm that just yet. Able to actually hit the entire nailing strip because of the exposure of my new shingle versus the older shingle, which leads me to believe this is discontinued.
snake doesn't always drive them in the correct way. That's why we don't actually permit to use them.
As you can see, it's already damaging the other shingles. Also, the exposure is about 1 inch in, so I'm not able to hit the full nailing strip, which leads me to believe this is a discontinued shingle, and this is a failed repair test at claim number 08331722687. Thank you.